for you, I can't talk. Well, that's not anything that's not normal on this channel. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, I can't talk. Well, that's not anything that's not normal on this channel. I have for you, we are on day 7 of July 2018 Box Week. So really quick, if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, Box Week is the best week every month, and it's 1 week me and my YouTube subscribers, we spend every day together for 1 week straight. So you're catching us on day 7. But we're actually gonna have a couple more days because we have a few more subscription boxes to open. So basically we open my subscription box together, we hang out in the Just Like Drew crew. So if you want to be in the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew around, because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. Okay, so tonight we're doing one that if you are a regular on my channel, it is like probably your favorite night on Box Week. We're doing my face mask and chill unboxing. So we'll be opening Facetory, which is a monthly beauty subscription that you get Korean beauty masks. And before I get into the video too much, I'm going to be putting into our stockpile giveaway box, which is this right here. This is a box that we started filling up with goodies from my subscriptions that I got this month. This is the 4th one that we're doing. Basically, when this box is full, I put out a giveaway and give it away to one of my subscribers. And I'm going to be putting in a I Look Beauty Super Moisturizing Dual Lift Mask. I actually got these at TJ Maxx and I really liked it. So it's one of those fun masks that you put like on, you actually like hook it around your ears. So it's supposed to like lift like down here and like lift your face up. And I done it and actually like, I mean, obviously you're not going to have like a full lift, like a facelift forever, but it does actually make your skin look tighter. So I feel like this would be a really cool one. I'm putting that into our giveaway box. So really quick, if you haven't grabbed a face mask already and you want to, feel free to pause this video and come back and mask up with us. So I'm going to do things a little bit backwards. Usually I put on my face mask and then I start unboxing, but I'm going to actually open the box first this time. I always make this mistake where I put on a face mask and then I try to open up the box and I end up like almost cutting myself because the like knife gets slippery and it's a little dangerous. So I'm just cutting the seal in the box, and then after I get my mask on, you can actually work on the unboxing portion of things. So tonight I'm actually doing a mask called the Glam Glow Glitter Mask. This is a mask that I got a couple of weeks ago from Glam Glow, and I remember when I first saw it like being launched, I was like super excited about it. So I'm gonna be doing this today. It's a peel off mask, and I thought like it'd be so cool for you guys to see me wear a full glitter mask, because you know like how much I like live for glitter and all of that. So it actually comes with a little brush here, so I'm gonna open it up and I'm gonna start putting this on. So if you're new here and you have no idea like about Facetory, I'll give you a little bit more info about that as I'm masking up right now. So basically Facetory, like I said, I'm trying to get closer so I can see, is a monthly beauty subscription box where they send you Korean beauty masks. They have 2 different options. They have one that is like the 4 basic Korean beauty masks, and then they have one that is called like the 7 Luxe luxury version, where you get 7 luxury masks. And basically the difference is like you get quality masks, I believe, in the 4-pack and the 7-pack, but the deal with the 7-pack is you'll get ones that like have multi-masking features and things of that nature. The cost breaks down to basically like either $10 a month for the 4 or $20 a month for the 7-pack. Now technically on their website they'll say they're lower price, but when you break it down like with tax and everything and shipping, it ends up being like $10 or $20. So I just tell people that instead of trying to be like, oh well it's $14, but after you add shipping and all that, because it ends up being 20 bucks. I personally get the 7 luxury. I love getting it. I actually got my mom, helicopter mom, into it. She loves getting it too. It makes it really easy to, like a lot of people always say like they don't know how to like select like sheet masks and things of that nature. So, sorry, I'm doing my upper lip here. I feel like when you get like a subscription like this that is proven to give out quality face masks, you don't really have to have the concern of like, oh, did I pick the right mask or did I get the right one? They send you a really good selection every single month for your masking needs. So that's just my little personal thoughts and feedback on it. I'm trying to get closer so I can see like if I've missed any spots. It's like hard to see, so I'm looking in the camera, just viewfinder right now, because I can't like really see very well what I'm doing. So sorry I'm getting a little bit close, but I'm trying to see if this mask is going on. Okay, almost got it. Hold on. I think we're good enough, whatever. Okay, so yeah, so this is the mask. As you can see, it's black with like glitter in it. I love it. It is so fabulous and amazing. It's like one of my absolutely favorite masks. And I actually love that it comes with a brush too, which is actually really easy to rinse out as well, because then you don't have to get it all over your hands and try and rub it in that way. So I felt like that was really just a smart, nice little addition that they added onto it from Glam Glow. So I'm gonna put this away. And we're gonna get into the actual unboxing of Facetory. I'm excited. I hope you guys have been enjoying Box Week this month. I've been enjoying it. I think it's been a lot of fun. We've gotten some interesting items this month on our subscription, so that's been fun. All right, so here is the box, and we're gonna open up the top of it. Alrighty, and it always comes with like really cute tissue paper. Look at that. It's like really, really adorable, like spotted tissue paper. On here it says, where to next? So it looks like they have like a special thing like about vacations, just kind of saying like, where are you going at? Like they're joking about Facetory Airlines and talking about like basically taking a trip. So my guess is these are gonna be a lot of like themed for like vacation type masks or whatever. So I'm pulling back the tissue paper. On the top, they always have a card in there that tells you about the mask. If there's any special instructions with how to use that mask, because a lot of these masks are actually written in Korean as well. That's why they do that, so that way you know like, okay, so this is how I put this mask on. Usually it's tell you to cleanse your face, tone your skin, and then put your mask on for about 20 minutes and not over 30, so that your face doesn't like end up losing moisture because the mask starts sucking it back in. All right, the first one we have on top is a soothing jelly mask from Yada. I know we've had a jelly mask from them before. This one is like too much exposure to the sun while on vacation in need of some soothing. Well, this soothing jelly mask has got you covered with its ability to soothe and hydrate. So this is soothing and hydrating, especially if you spent a lot of time in the sun. So yeah, like I said, I felt like it was going to be a vacation themed one. All right, the next one we have is since 2015 a cream mask, gold Saracen mask right there. And it looks like we love a good cream mask by providing abundant moisture with its effective ingredients. This cream mask will make sure your skin is hydrated wherever you go. So this is another like hydrating mask, which is actually important. When you're spending a lot of time in the sun, you know the heat. It's weird because it's like my skin can be weird like when I'm in the sun. Either it's like I sweat and then I feel like my skin is just hydrating itself, or you kind of like get dried up and everything and you don't want to get like those wrinkles. So there's that. Oh, this next one looks really fun. All right, it says just a little bit. Smooth softness. Look at this one. It's got like the Mona Lisa on there. Don't have the luxury to take a trip to see the Mona Lisa in the Musée du Louvre, basically the Louvre. I don't know why they wrote it like, sorry. I can't read apparently today, in the Louvre. While we brought Paris to you with this firming mask that will create a smooth and soft canvas. So this one is like a skin softening and smoothing mask. So basically, my thought whenever I hear smoothing is like, you know, you ever feel like your skin is just kind of bumpy and like you're dealing with like pigmentation issues? My thought is it's probably a mask that's gonna help like rebalance your skin. I don't know. The next one we have is London Shopper Dr. Lola Cloud Key right there. It's really, really cute. These are some really cute masks this month. Oh my gosh. Let this London Shopper mask navigate you through the city life of London to Gangnam Seoul. This mask will make sure you get your skin in the right direction with its ability to smooth and hydrate. All right, the next one is Oops Soda Bubble Mask from Aquafruit. Okay, this one's really cute. So we're on the back page now. It looks like this fruity scented mask will give you the best of both worlds, bubbles and beautiful skin. Get blown away with the results of this mask as you let the bubbles work its magic. So this is a bubbling mask. I love masks like this. You put them on and then all of a sudden like they start getting carbonated and bubbling. And basically it helps like your skin kind of rebalance. It helps pull impurities out. So I always love a good bubble sheet mask. Ooh, okay, this one is Wanjin Effect. This is a 3-part sheet mask. I think I've done something from this brand before. This 3-step Wanjin Amino Up mask is the perfect mask to use as a getaway with 3 convenient steps that will keep your skin looking flawless for days to come. So it's got like a lifting eye gel and a toner and a mask. So I love masks like this, especially I've noticed when you get masks like this, when they have like a really nice like eye gel in there, they seem to actually really lift your eye gel and skin. I love doing masks like this, like a 3-step, like when I've got like a big event or something going up that I kind of need to have my skin look a little bit better than it normally does. And finally, the last mask we have is an NTN mask. We've done one of these before, but it was yellow last time. So, and it's like this mask that has like this cool like powder, I think, that you put on your face and then you put the mask on after. So it looks like NTN No Filter Moisturizing Camera Mask. Click, click. You can never get too many photos while on vacation. Let the packaging of the mask inspire you as you use this mask to get a no filter look. So there's like a powder in here that you put on first and then you put the mask on over it. They sent one like this before. Like I said, it was yellow. So I'm a little, I guess, bummed that they sent a mask that was kind of a repeat. But it was a really good mask, so I'm not like mad about it. I don't know. So quickly to recap this box, we got the Entia like photo ready, no filter needed mask there. We got the 3-step Wanjin effect mask, which has the lifting eye gel, which I'm really excited about that one. We got the bubble mask aqua fruit soda oops mask, which is supposed to help like clear and purify your skin as well as leave it looking soft and amazing. The London Shopper Dr. Lola Cloud Key wrinkle iron mask, and the just a little bit mask that's supposed to be like a French face mask to like kind of help you have a smooth looking canvas. The cream mask, which is from Gold Surgeon, which I think is supposed to actually add moisture to your skin if I remember correctly. And then we got the soothing jelly mask, which is supposed to help calm your skin, especially after being out in the sun, as well as like give you moisture. So that was all the masks in the box. So I actually have a little more time left on this mask, so I'm going to turn the camera off, and when it's ready to come and peel off, I will come and peel it for you guys, and then I will end this video. So I'll be back in just a second. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm just here to finish out the video with you. I told you I'd wait till, I'm getting a little closer so you can see it better, till my mask was dry so I could peel it off for you guys. Now, I'm worried about peeling it off because whenever I feel like you peel off something on camera, it never like peels off properly. So I'm trying to find a good location to start peeling this thing. Oh, see, now I'm already having issues. This is my life. This is why I don't do peel off masks, because they don't work. Okay, so just peel it off all over. I do love that about the Glam Glow masks. Like, for the most part, they peel off pretty clean, which I think is really great. It's like magic. Look at that. Look at that. Boom. Look at that. Okay. So that's the peel off mask. It's all basically in one piece. And then what I like to do is take like a micellar water with a cotton pad after, and just use this to like clean off like maybe spots where there's like some excess. I'll have to look in the mirror after this because I'm sure there's going to be like little flecks of glitter that I missed on doing this on camera. But yeah, so that's it. My skin, I think my skin like looks really bomb. I love doing this mask. I feel like it's great because it kind of like firms up your skin as well as gives it like a nice like plump glow afterwards as well. Okay. So, we already finished unboxing everything before, so I just thought it was going to come out to finish. So this is my face afterwards. I like it. I think I look really healthy and happy. So that's all I have for you guys today, but if you want to see more photos of me, you can see me, I don't even know, Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Justlikedrew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew around, because anybody and everybody can be our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you in the next video. We'll probably have one tomorrow because there's still more boxes to open. Alright, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. No, my bad. Well, we're already here. So, hi guys, welcome back again to being welcomed back. It's me, Drew. We covered that. Today